So basically, let's say we're looking at an email, right? And let's say we don't want to type in therapist name because there's so many of them. So with that, we can kind of instruct the AI on how to change it. So uh, Tony, if you could click the start voice instruction
Yeah,
button.
right here.
Yes. And then just tell it to say, hey, fill in the therapist name into something.
Hey, my name is Tony Maritato. I'm the physical therapist for this treatment note. Can you switch patient name and therapist name for my name? And let's use John Smith as the patient's name.
No.
Also, while that's working, there was a new feature that you added that I just noticed yesterday right below it that I don't even remember what it was. It was so new.
Yeah, it's like the AI assistant.
So now you can see it switched it
Wow.
from, patient name in brackets to John Smith. And then right here, it grabbed my name as Tony Maritato, where just a couple seconds ago, it said physical therapist in brackets.